Well, welcome back to this special extended edition of Fox 45 Morning News. We are actually having a ball here because we've been reading all the comments on Facebook, and it becomes a community because then viewers talk to each other on Facebook and you talk to us, and some of the things that you all say are very funny. Now, I don't think this one's funny because I'm a Ravens fan.
Yeah. This is proof that God hates the Ravens.
No, Larry, don't say that.
Obviously, he hates the Buffalo Bills, the Chicago Bears, the Philadelphia. Well, I can understand why he doesn't like the Philadelphia Eagles.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of comments. A lot of people are talking about the conditions there. This one is from Suzanne. She says, I'm on Kent Island, snowing hard. Still a little bit of sleet mixed in. I've resigned myself to the fact that we have no control over Mother Nature, so there's really...
All right, I give you Blizzard 2010. Here's my sidewalk. Finally got it cleaned. And as you can see, this tree. Oh, check out this if I can see. Right there. Yeah, it's gonna be cool when that comes crashing down. Alright, haven't done much other than the sidewalk. Here's Tanya's car. So I can give you some perspective how deep this is, but I'm standing up and it comes up to the middle of my back. These sides, well, the middle of the sides where it's piled. Digging out their spots. Isabel, are you in the fort? Let's see.
Like it always goes like this.
You gotta tighten that thing.
How do I tighten it?
I don't know. There's like that screw thing. Here, show everybody the fort so far.
Can I have the camera?
No. Yeah, it goes back. Not real big yet. Alright. Oops, I must have zoomed in a little bit. And here, this is our little road here. Hasn't been plowed yet. You can see cars are pretty much buried. There's my work truck. Probably won't be using that till April. And there's my truck, which is a little easier to get out. It's got to dig a little bit. Hello. And Tanya's car, you see where the plow came in and pushed snow up here. This plow here is just under 6 foot, so I'm a little bit taller. You see my neighbor Dave's car completely plowed in. And there's our house, the second one in from the right. That's Dave's house. He's got some nice icicles. And this is the whole building here. Alright. This sucks. You see some of these drifts are 5 foot. And that's the road. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to be going much anywhere for a little while. And I will do some more recording here once I can get Tanya out here working. So until then, see ya. Alright, we're back, and actually it's about, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours later, and we are finished cleaning this crap. Alright, let's go down the sidewalk, come back here. You can see cleaning up nicely. See the other building. See, this is our building, and you'll see in a second what we've done. This other building is a bunch of slackers. You can see sidewalk ends for the other building. They still have, it's still a disaster down there. Up here it's livable. Okay. Road still looks white, but it's compacted. It's fine to drive on. As you can see, what we've done is cleaned out all of our cars. And this mound here is over my head. And then that is, other building starts there. This mound is the separator. If you go down, they're not going anywhere. They're still snowed in. A bunch of slackers. Work truck is buried, but can't go anywhere until the roads are completely clean. Two-wheel drive, but my truck has got its exit right there. No problems. So let's look. As you can see, we've pretty much stacked snow anywhere and everywhere, and if we get any more, there might be a problem. I want to see that big icicle that we got. It's right there. It's hard to see behind a tree, but it's huge. I don't know what kind of damage that's going to do when it falls, but we will find out. So, anyways, that's it. And I am completely finished with snow. I'm never going to see it again when this is gone. It's no longer fun. So anybody watching this, if you need a website, let me know, because I need to build our business so we can get the heck out of here and get back to Florida, where they don't usually get this kind of weather. So anyways, I am going down back to the house. I'll put this on so everybody can enjoy my torture. All right, talk to you later.